Yes. Good evening, once. Sorry for the delay. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? Yes.
Yes, sir, it's audible and visible.
So in the last class, just I was discussing about the cases, right? Defining a variable. So try to respond. X value is 10. Whenever you define a variable in Python, no need to define the data type, right? So internally, one object gets created with value 10. It's going to have some address. It's going to occupy some physical memory location address. That address is given to X. So whenever you say print X, right? It goes to this address and prints that content at that address, that is 10. If you want to print the address ID of X 103070, right? That is the address. So if you want to print what data type X is means
Hi, sir. Good morning.
what value you are assigning to X.
Will you start?
Hello, yes.
Will you start from beginning, sir?
What beginning? Did you attend
This is the first class. Yes, I logged in, but I found when the class was not, then I went somewhere else.
This is the starting of the class.
Okay, print X. Okay.
Type of the X is what? Integer, right? Case 2, everyone try to answer. What is this case 2? X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. How many objects gets created here?
2 objects.
2 objects gets created. For 10, 1 object. For 20, 1 object. 2 different objects with 2 different addresses. Yes. So this address is given to X. This address is given to Y. So print X, it prints 10. Print Y, it prints 20. Address of X, address of Y. Case 3. If X value is 10, Y value is 10, how many objects, everyone? Here, how many objects are created?
Single object.
Single object. So this address is given to X. Means before creating object for Y, it checks any object with value 10 is already available. If available, the same address will be given. X is 10, Y is 10, Z is 10. Only one address, only one object. This address is given to X, Y, and Z. Case 4, right? Yes, observe. X is 10 and X is 20. Here, for 10, one object with some address. For X equal to 20, another object with some address. This is fine. But if I say print X, what is the X value it prints? What is the X value it is going to print? Yes.
04080.
So it is
20.
going to 20, the latest
Value.
And the address of X means address of X
10480.
What happens to this X equal to 10?
Garbage collector will remove.
Garbage collector will remove this object from the memory. Understood these 4 cases, right? Whenever you define variables, when the values are when the 2 different variables, 2 different values, 2 different objects, 2 different addresses. If the contents are same, only one object. If the contents are different, multiple objects, right? So yes, that is what I have discussed, right? Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means, yes, in a simple way, right? Object to holding single value. Object to holding single value is fundamental data type. Example of fundamental data type, X equal to 10. One object is created with one value 10 with some address. That address given to X. Means here this object holding single value. Object holding single value. That's why we call it as fundamental data type. Collection data types means The name itself saying collection of values, group of values, set of values means object holding group of values. Object holding what? Group of values. Example of it, x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. List of values. Object holding group of values, set of values, right? So here also one object gets created internally. Internally multiple, that object storing multiple values like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 is going to occupy some address. The address is given to X. Observe here. Collection data types means object holding group of values. A list. Here, object to holding multiple values. Object to holding group of values, right? Yes. Yes. Fundamental types, collection type. Object holding single value, object holding group of values. Okay. Okay, now if you observe this, right? Yes. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types mainly are of 5 types. Integer. Integer means, for example of integer like that. Age 25. Something, okay. Second is like float, something in decimals, right? Like height. Height 6.3. Boolean type, right? Which returns either true or false. True or false. True means 1, false means 0. See here, Python is case sensitive. True means T should be in uppercase, false means F should be in uppercase compulsorily. String. String means collection of characters. Like city equal to Hyderabad, right? City equal to Hyderabad. And complex 3 plus, for example, x plus iy we say. In general mathematics, x plus iy, a plus ib, right? In Python, instead of 5, we use j. I'll be discussing about this. These are fundamental types. Collection types, mainly 4 types. Collection data types mainly are of 4 types. Like Python provides simple syntaxes, right? Yes. For collection types, if you observe, right, 4 types. First is like list. List represented using squared bracket. Tuple. By seeing that braces only, you should identify what type of collection it is, like tuple. Set. Set is something in curly brackets. And dictionary. Dictionary means something in the curly braces only. It should be like key and value type. Key and value. Example of this list. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Example of tuple, right? Observe. The bracket is going to change. Y equal to this braces. Tuple of values. So we have got a lot of discussion on these collections like list, list indexing, list properties, list functions, list methods, nested list, list modifications, right? Yes. When for tuples, so more than a week we'll be discussing on these collections, right? Yes.
So what is the difference between list and tuple?
So to a list, you can add elements, you can remove elements, but in tuple, you cannot add, you cannot remove. It's like a constant.
Oh.
So we have got a lot of discussion. I'll be briefing you about these things. Like nearly for 1 week, we'll be discussing about these collections, right? Okay. Dictionary, right? Something. This set is used for mathematical operations. Dictionary means something if you want to represent like what is the name? Name, for example, Ajay. What is the age? Age like 25. So in this way, something in key value type, right? Name is the key. And this Ajay is the value. Age is the key. 25 is the value. For example, city Hyderabad. City will be the key. Hyderabad will be the value, right? So in fundamental types, we have got a lot of discussion on string. We have got a lot of discussion on string, right? Yes. Fine. File. New file, you can say, if you want to write some code, Python code. So string. So I want the sessions to be interactive, right? I'll be expecting the sessions to be interactive. So everyone, you can ask query at any point of time. You can unmute yourself and try to respond if you ask any queries, right? String is a sequence collection of queries. String, sorry, it's a sequence collection of characters. String is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented, right? Using, so you can say like using single quote. This is common in Python. If you are specifying something with starting with hash, it's not executable, right? Using single quote, you can represent a string. Using double quote, right? And using triple quote also. Using double quote, yes. Third, like using triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Yes. Single, double, and triple. Any of this, right? Yes. Each character of a string. Each character of a string is represented or accessed each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index. Starts from left to right. Index starts from left to right. Observe this. I'll show you with multiple examples. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Second is like backward index or negative index. Index starts with, so backward index or negative index, index starts from right to left, right to left. Index starts with -1. So index starts from left to right, index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index, right? Starts from right to left, index starts with -1. So if you want to keep this in comment, multi-line comment means start with triple quote, end with triple quote. Okay, just observe this diagram, right? Observe this example to understand this indexing, right? X equal to Python, Python, right? Yes. For string also, one object is going to get created, right? It's going to store each character Python, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
This is what? Forward index. So every character is going to have one index, right? Every character is going to have one index, forward index or positive index, we say. Yes. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is backward index or negative index. What is that? Backward index or negative index. Backward index or negative index. It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. So X equal to a string sequence collection of characters. So forward index from left to right, backward index from right to left. So here X is your string name. X of 2 value is what? Everyone try to answer. X of 2.
T.
T.
T, right? Yes. X of -2.
Wow.
O.
Oh, right? Yes. So in this way, you can use either positive or negative index. You may get a query. Already we got forward index. Why again negative index is required? You may ask. Right? So if I got a very big string of more than 100 characters, I am asking you to print the last character using positive index. How will you print? Last character you print using positive index if there are more than 100 characters. So X of -1 prints the last character. So you can go with a negative index, right? Okay, that's fine. X equal to Python, Python, right? Print X means it's going to print that string. Print type of X is what type? String type. Print len of X, length means number of characters is what? 6. As you are trying to assign a string to X, type is str. Str means string type. Observe this, save it.
Oh.
So class str length is what? 6. So here y equal to programming, right? Print X plus Y. What do you mean by X is one string, Y is one string? Adding 2 strings. This we call it like concatenation. We call it as concatenation. Means adding 2 strings. It's nothing but adding 2 strings. First string follow. Adding 2 strings means first string followed by second string, right? Yes. Print X plus 5 means concatenation, adding 2 strings, first string followed by second string. Okay. So, okay, next is string slicing. You can see like what is that? String slicing. Extracting particular portion, right? So as I said, from tomorrow, the link will be changing, and from tomorrow, you will be getting the videos daily basis to your Google Drive. A WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow, right? And a soft copy of the notes you'll be getting, right? Class the class notes. Extracting string slicing means extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. For example, Python program. What is that? Python program is there, right? Yes. Print X means prints the Python program, everything as it is, right? Yes. Okay. Now I want your responses, right? Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this, right? Yes. Extract only Python means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to say how to print only Python from this. Print X of start with 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 colon 6.
5. 6.
0 colon 6. Why 6 means this we call it like lower bound, this we call it like upper bound. Always upper bound will be excluded, not included. Means if you give 5 will excuse me, 5 will be excluded, right? You won't get n. So always I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded 0 to 5. Next, extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion of the string. Now you need to give responses, right, everyone? PROG. Yes, everyone. Try to extract only these 4 characters from this using positive index. X of, yes, everyone.
0, 4.
I doesn't want
0.
Python. Not 0. It's not. I doesn't want Python.
Okay, it will be
Everyone, give a try.
6 to 9. 6
No.
colon 9.
No. This space also will take
8.
1 index.
Oh.
0, 1, 2,
8.
3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7. So 7 will start with 7, right? 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. It means what I should give? 11.
7 to 11.
11 excluded, up to 10 it will consider, right?
Yeah.
7. Observe this output. Run module 7 to 11. CROG you got right? Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Any query?
Yes, sir. So actually just wanted to ask, you have mentioned that always upper bound is excluded. So if we have to take out the Python in this case, so we always have to give 6, right? From 0 to 6.
0 to 6, yes. Upper bound
Okay.
excluded, up to 5 takes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Understood, right? Any query here? Okay, for example, 7 to 11 is fine. 11 to 7 if I go from print X of 11 to 7. What is the output? 7 to 11.
URP.
So observe carefully. 7 to 11 means this one. 7 to 11 is this. 11 to 7 means you are going in this way.
Hmm. Right.
7 to 11, 11 to 7, right? Now, extract PROJ using negative index, you say everyone, using negative index. Everyone.
Hello.
Yes.
So I have an answer. Print X of
Yes. Print X of
bracket
Hmm.
-6 to -9.
-6. It's not -6. It's little almost correct, but it's not -6.
Oh.
-1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 it is. It will start with -1, right? Negative index.
Right.
-7 you want. So using negative index also should go in forward direction. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. So what I should give? -3. -3 excluded up to -4 it takes, right? Yes. PROG, right? Yes.
Right.
Now extract the entire word program now. Everyone try to answer for this. Extract the entire word program. Yes. Extract the entire word program. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give 13, 13 will be excluded. 13 will be excluded. Can I take 14? 14 index not available, but I can take 14 because I'm not trying to access 14 up to 13 only it will be accessed, right? So it gives
Yes.
Python program, right? It's program it gives. Using negative index means otherwise the shortcut for this, if you want 7 to up to the end of the string, 7 to up to end of the string, right? 7 to 14. Okay. This is from 7 to up to the end of the string it is. Using negative index, can anyone say how to extract it? Program, how to extract program using negative index? -7 to 0, Aishman, right? -7 means this, but 0 means this P, right? Positive index. So here only one choice.
Only -7 column.
Yeah, -7 colon. Don't provide the upper bound, right?
Sir,
Don't
that X11:7 means it does not give any output, sir.
This one 7 to 11.
No, sir, below 11 to 7.
11 to 7 means yes. So this is upper to lower means empty string. It use empty string, right?
Means
Because 7 to 11 means fine. Always slicing in the forward. 11 to 7, if you are going in the backward direction, it provides
GRO.
empty string. No, it won't give GORP, empty string, because Why it use empty string? Because always slicing in the forward direction. If you are
Oh,
slicing in the backward direction, it gives empty string. So here you cannot go backward 11 to 7. 7 to 11 you can go, right? So -7 to remaining. This is the only choice, right? If you want to extract program using negative index, -7 to all.
oh, that one is the point.
X of, if I want to give the lower bound, if I say 6, what is it valid? It will read from the start of the string to 6. Means 6 excluded up to 5.
Python.
This output will be similar to this, right? Python.
Hmm.
What if I ignore both, right? X of lower bound and upper bound, if both are ignored, right?
Empty.
Entire string.
Whole string.
Okay.
Start of the string to up to the end of the string, all string, right? Print X of is similar to print X, right? This one. This both are same, right? Print of X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. What is this? I'm writing a comment for your understanding. First one is like start value. Second is like stop value. And this is like step value.
It will print the characters on the even places.
Okay. Start with 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12. Only even indexed like 0 means P, T, O, space, R, G, A. Okay, 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. Similar to that, right? Print X of colon 2. What is output you get? Yes. Same, right? Same output. These two results the same. Means this is same, right? Colon means this with the increment of 2. X colon -1 means reverses the string. Reverses the string. Understood, right? Any queries in this, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Understanding, right?
Yeah.
So here, have you heard about the word, the technical term like palindrome? Anyone?
No.
Palindrome means if we reverse a string,
It gives the same value.
if we reverse a string, if we get the same string. Then it is a palindrome. Right? Yes. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome.
Extract print X. What is the meaning of here? The print X7 then blank.
This one.
Yeah.
From 7 to all to end of the string. It reads.
Oh. And here the -7 to all of the string.
Yes, both means which one program you will get.
And
7
here
to end of the string, -7 to end of the string, right?
and here the 6 is means 0 to 6.
0 to 6. Here entire string. Here also entire string. Here every alternate string.
Alternative string.
Here is also the same output, alternate string. Here reverses the string. 5 written comments we said those, right? So palindrome means if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, it's a palindrome. Example, anyone?
Madam.
Yes, madam, M-A-D-A-M. If you reverse also, you'll get the same string, right?
Malayalam.
Malayalam, right? If you reverse also, you will get Malayalam only, right? Still any? If you reverse
Mom.
also, yes, if you reverse also, you will get the same, right? All this. For example, x equal to madam, print x, it prints what? Madam. If you reverse it, right, what is that? X of colon minus 1, what is it? Reverses. Store the result in y. Print y, right? Yes. Run module. So both the results the same, right? Then it's a palindrome. So understood, right? This is slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Negative index, positive index, combining both, right? Yes. I'll take just 10 minutes more. String methods. So here we don't need to write huge codings, right? We don't need to write huge codings. Just one second. String methods, right? Yes. X equal to Python, X equal to Python program. X equal to what? Python program. Okay, no, not like that. First one, string methods. First one is upper, to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X equal to S city name Hyderabad. Print X dot upper. It prints everything in uppercase, right? X dot up. X is your string. Print X dot upper. It's everything in uppercase. Second is like lower, Lower, right? Yes. To print in lowercase. To print in uppercase, this is to print in lowercase. X dot upper means prints total Hyderabad in upper. Prints lower means prints everything in lower. For example, X equal to some city like Mumbai, right? Yes. Mumbai, right? MUMBAI. Print X dot lower. X dot lower means prints everything in the lower case, right? Yes, run module. Check this. Right. Mumbai in lower case. Third one, if you observe X equal to India, INDIA. I want only the first character I in uppercase, remaining all in the lower case only. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower case.
Capitalize.
Proper.
X equal to India. Print X dot capitalize. There is a method called capitalize. Just check this output. Only the first character only will be capitalized. Only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Capitalizes the first character. Capitalizes the first character of a string, right? Capitalize. Means only the first character only will be capitalized, remaining all in the lower cases as it is. Next is series X equal to, say, good evening, Hyderabad, right? So here, how many words in this? How many words?
3 words.
3 words, right? All the 3 words. 3 words. This G in uppercase I want, this E in uppercase I want, H in uppercase I want. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. Good evening, Hyderabad. So in this way, each and every word X dot title, that's it. Check it now. How many words are there? Every word, first character in the uppercase. Can you see J in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase, right?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, like in the earlier example, it was mentioned X is equal to India. So what if we print X of title over there? What will be the output? Like it will also give India and I in capital letters.
Yes. So when to go for capitalize means if you got many words, but I doesn't want only the first word, first character only in uppercase means capitalize. Every word, first character uppercase means go for title.
Okay.
So we don't need to write codes here. We have got methods in this way, right? In Python, right? Capitalizes the first character. Capitalizes Each word capitalizes the first character of each word. Capitalizes the first character of each word in a string. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. Okay. Where can this title be used in real time is, for example, if you got some employee names like this.
Yes.
Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Amar, Rohit, James. In this way, some 100 names are there. Every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Then I can say print EMPS dot title. How many words are there? Every name, first character in the uppercase. Check it. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Amar, Rohit, James. Rohit, TH here. Okay, fine. Next. Replace. Observe this. Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string, right? Yes. X equal to Java is easy. Print X dot replace the word Java with Python. Replace the word Java with Python, right? Yes. Replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get? Python is easy. Okay, fine. Replacing the Java is easy and Java is simple. And Java is simple. Replace Java with Python means yes. Replace the word Java means yes. So Python is easy and Python is simple. It replaces each and every word. Not only the first word, each and every occurrence of Java is replaced with Python.
Python is simple, right?
So in this way, we have got many methods, right? Many methods. 1 second, once. So here, swap case converts one case to another, right? Converts one case to another case. Converts one case to another case. If it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower, right? It reverses the case, right? X equal to, just observe. Good evening, Hyderabad. Print X dot swap case means you will get everything in uppercase. Swap case. If you got combination of lower and upper means all lowers becomes upper, uppers becomes lower, right? So here lower became upper.
certain replace.
Mhm.
First Java is replaced and second Java is replaced by Python now, sir.
Yes,
Replace function.
yes. Replace will replace each and
So I need only first Java to be replaced.
no. It replaces every occurrences here in this case. If you want, you can do that using regular expressions in Python. Next is we have got like count, right? Yes, to count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. For example, a normal string, if I take x equal to, right? I'll say like hello. How are you, right? Yes, I'm taking this. A string. Print x dot count of the word hello. How many times the word hello is repeated? How many times? X is your string dot count of hello. Here count of the character h. What is count of hello first? 3 times. Count of h is
4 times.
4 times. 3 and here 4. How many
How?
times? See h, and h.
Oh, right.
Count of hello is 3. For example, if I take a paragraph like this, see this example too. If I take a paragraph, data is my string. Paragraph means you need to represent using multi-line string, right? Triple quote. Whenever you go for multiple lines, right, you need to go for paragraph. Paragraph means triple quote. Single line means double quote or single quote. For example, I'll bring some data, right? Like this. Python is simple and is user friendly. Python has got thousands of modules. So I'll just bring this data. Now from this paragraph, right? Yes. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote, right? Print data dot count. Print data dot count. Count of Python. What is count of Python? How much? 10 lines, 10 times Python occurred.
10.
Count will be 10.
10.
10
How?
times. So here 10 times. In every line Python is there. Totally how many? 10 Pythons.
Oh,
Okay. Fine. So in this way, we have got many more methods, right? So upper, lower, capitalize, title, replace, swap, place, count, right? We have got many more methods like strip method, find method, many more methods we have got. I'll be discussing more in the tomorrow session, right? We don't need to write huge codings here, directly inbuilt methods available. Fine. So any queries you have got, right? So tomorrow the link will be changing, right? Tomorrow the link will be changing. So everyone get enrolled for getting the link to your mail IDs, and don't forget to share the payment, the screenshot of your payment to this DurgaSoft online training @gmail.com, right? They are mentioned here. Copy that message, DurgaSoft online training. Then only you'll be getting the link. So here payment process and procedures, their contact details. And if you want full stack, the course, the fee is 10,000. Only Python, it's 5,000. You'll be getting the class video, soft copy of the class notes, and assignments and tasks will be provided. A WhatsApp group will be created, right? Fine. So tomorrow a new link, paid link, right? Yes. Any other queries you got, anyone?
So
Okay,
this is your direct number?
that is not my number, right? That is contact, that is the detail. Online team. That is the online team, right? People, front office.
Actually, I have some urgent work, so I need to change my time. That one is the biggest issue.
So the timing of this batch is 8 to 9. Once again, I'm saying,
Oh,
in the first
8 to
day,
9.
first day itself, I said, from tomorrow,
Oh,
okay, you will be having at 7 o'clock, but from day after tomorrow, it is going to be from 8 to 9.
it is possible to conduct 8:15, sir?
8 means by 8:10 it will start.
8:10. That's nice.
Okay. So from day after tomorrow, the timing of the batch will be at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow it will be at 7 only, right? So tomorrow the link will be changing. So everyone get enrolled. Fine. So I'm stopping for now. We'll meet you tomorrow at 7 o'clock, right? Yes.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.